But we like race cars.
Let's talk something more
Let's
racing.
talk race cars.
Let's talk race cars. Now, we've had this on last week's show and probably the week before. We've got a slight issue with a little bit too much droop.
Yep.
Which is
something that I'm very familiar with. You were just setting me up for that.
I was setting you up for that.
So I just thought I might as well go in straight away, but that's easy to fix. This is the fully assembled G-FORCE Xtrada, supposedly designed by Masami himself, but yeah, I'm not too sure about that.
I think he signed off on it.
Yeah.
And we'll go to the overhead because it's pretty cool, right? There's a few cool features that we can look at.
There's some awesome bits on this.
And you and I both harked back to modern four-wheel drives like the Optimas, Shoeies,
Optima,
Shoeies even, and Yokomo's a little bit.
Yeah.
They never had the gearbox arrangement at the rear.
Yep.
Is it belt drive gearbox? No, just laser.
It's a belt.
It's a belt in the rear too.
It's a belt in the rear.
Belts.
Really short little belt in the rear.
Yep. So it doesn't have a gearbox at all. So it's got two belts, two belt drive.
Yeah.
High mount spur gear, which was very laser.
Laser Optima mid.
Laser Optima mid
with a clear gear cover with a slipper clutch on it.
Slipper crutch. And a nice big long belt, taut like a tiger with a clear cover on it.
Yeah, which is just like all the old cars have, but this is all new plastics, new technology.
I've never seen one with it.
Yeah, you're wondering how to get that out.
I am. I am now.
Yeah. You need to slide that back.
Oh.
Then
pinch.
You pinch that.
And it flops down.
Again, the droop.
It's not very grasshopperish. They've taken it next level. Oh, it's hinged?
It's hinged. Well, it's hinged, but it comes out.
And that's how you get your battery in and out.
Yeah, I didn't know how to do that. Me and Scotty Pettit worked it out earlier.
How cool is that?
So that's how it all goes in.
That's your battery box.
That snaps back in.
And
then turn that over, then you
pull it back
this back to lock it.
And that saves it coming unclipped.
Yeah. So I
love it.
That's a clever little thing. Servo goes in here.
Yep.
I've got a Yokomo servo that's going to go in on this one. And I've got Orca
totem.
Orca totem in there. Probably my KO radio.
Yeah. And we'll pair that to what donk are you going to put in there? 21.
I've got a 21.5, but
21.5.
I'm getting a feeling I might want to put a 17.
Yeah, I think you can handle it.
I think we can. It goes together really nicely. It's a good car. Obviously, it was built on camera, so some things were rushed, and so I'll go back and just tidy some stuff up.
Those plastic damper units, but I really like them.
Yeah.
Very modern geometry.
There are options available. There's carbon chassis. There's alloy big bore shocks.
Carbon chassis for it?
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Not quite sure how that works, really. But anyway.
It is just flat plate.
I'm pretty sure I saw one. But anyway, there's a lot of options available, so I may or may not get them. I mean, I only bought this because I could. I don't really need
And you did.
I could, and I did, and...
You don't need to answer to anybody?
No. Well, I do.
What about the body shell?
She doesn't know about it.
Tell me about the body shell.
It says Optima mid to me, and
are you going to paint it as a period?
No. No, it'll be
race scheme.
All my cars get my standard cartoony race scheme now.
Grey and pink, or your off-road ones are grey and orange.
Grey and orange, yes.